The top 10 rarest birds in the world you should know about. Rarity in birds signifies their limited population, making them vital to biodiversity and conservation efforts. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with unique nocturnal habits. The Spix's macaw, once extinct in the wild, is a stunning blue bird with ongoing conservation projects. The California condor, North America's largest bird, has a wingspan of nearly 10 feet and faces habitat loss. The Siberian crane, known for its migratory journey, is threatened by climate change and habitat destruction. Join us in protecting these magnificent creatures. Subscribe for more.